very same day, we removed the battery for safety purposes. And here are the internal bits. And now let's flip it back.
You want to show them any of the parts?
Here's the hard drive.
Can you remove the hard drive?
I can't remove it, but
It's plugged in.
why do you want me to remove it?
Just so you could show.
Here's the hard drive. Back in.
Appears to be no real damage to the hard drive yet.
Yeah, no.
It's fine.
Circuit boards.
DVD.
Yeah, DVD player. Okay. Is that a nuclear siren?
No. Not even sure which is up front.
So, I don't understand. Okay.
Not a whole lot left of this thing.
But this thing's gonna turn on ever again. Right? Ah!
I'm pretty sure it's not turning on ever again.
Yeah, no. There grows the key of grossness.
It appears your fan motor has fallen out.
Mainly because the back is now. If this thing did turn on, it would not be safe because now it can't cool off. Wait! This appears. The shift key's invincible, to say the least. Right? It's coming out. We just gotta hammer it.
Here's your DVD player is now exiting. One more part in the pile.
Does it have anything? Does it have anything in it?
Nope. Empty DVD player.
You guarantee that?
Yes.
You took whatever was in it out.
Yeah.
There was nothing in it anyway. And we can see that there's nothing in it. Otherwise it would be there. You know.
Hopefully you don't cut your fingers, babe.
I'm trying not to. But it's my hammer. delete key wasn't wrong. It has been deleted. Right? I command.
Oh, I don't think that one's ready yet.
It's being pushed far in though. Okay. The left key is the invincible one. Alright. A shot of it. Like. Back to the keys.
Right about here. Where we can snap them apart.
Not working.
Really good.
My eardrums. They hurt. My eardrums are in pain. I hope none of my data was on here. Well, if I formatted the disk by accident, there isn't any, right?
Yeah, the hard drive's out. Although I don't believe it would work with any other Mac. Anyway. I should probably wrap this up so it's not being boring to people. You know what I mean, dude?
Yeah. These ones are done fine.
You can continue playing with it. But I just wrap it up so everybody says that's there's what's left of it all.
For one thing, well, I'm gonna be done smashing it. I need a break anyway.
Okay.
Alright, so that's a wrap, guys. So what did we learn today? We learned if you're looking for ultra durability, don't go for a clamshell. Right? Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.